Let's be honest, making YouTube Shorts sounds easy until you're 3 videos deep and suddenly you forget what your voice sounds like, or worse, you accidentally upload a video with no audio and now you're just a silent meme. But what if I told you there's a way to mass produce YouTube Shorts that not only saves your sanity, but also keeps your audience coming back for more? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how I turn ChatGPT and Canva into my 24/7 content factory without needing a film crew, a fancy mic, or a caffeine addiction. Okay, maybe just a little coffee. 1. The big picture, why mass production is a game changer. Let's start with the obvious: consistency is everything on YouTube. The Shorts algorithm is like a hungry toddler. It doesn't care how tired you are, it wants snacks. Mass producing Shorts means you can batch your work, stay consistent, and avoid burnout. You're not stuck writing, designing, editing, and uploading every single day. Instead, you front load the work and relax while the algorithm does its thing. It's like meal prepping, but for your content, and nobody's forcing you to eat dry chicken and broccoli. 2. Using ChatGPT as your creative sidekick, not a crutch. Some people think ChatGPT is cheating. I say it's like having a genius intern who never sleeps, complains, or steals your lunch from the office fridge. I start by prompting ChatGPT with a topic like top 5 bizarre facts about space, or motivational quotes that aren't corny. But here's the trick: you don't just copy what it gives you word for word, you remix it. Add your personality. Throw in a sarcastic joke. Make it sound like you, not Siri after a glass of wine. Here's a tip: ask ChatGPT to write in your tone. Literally say, write this like I'm a sassy, witty YouTuber who doesn't take life too seriously. You'll be amazed at how much better your scripts turn out. 3. Turn one idea into 10 scripts, or without anyone noticing. Here's my little secret: I don't come up with 50 brand new ideas. I come up with 5 good ideas and then slice and dice them. Let's say I make a short titled "03 AI Tools That Will Make You Money in 2025. Boom. That can become, this AI tool replaced my jobbers, and I'm not even mad. Make a 100 a day with this AI trick. Why this FRE tool is better than ChatGPT. Top AI tools for students that aren't boring. Get the idea. GPT helps me branch out variations, add hooks, twist the angles, and make each script feel fresh, even if the core is the same. It's like reusing leftovers but turning them into gourmet meals every time. 4. The hook is everything. Use ChatGPT to punch hard early. The first 2 seconds of your short decide everything. If your viewer isn't hooked faster than a fish at a bass tournament, they're scrolling. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm 10-15 hook ideas for every script. Then I pick the spiciest one. Example: made me 200 in my sleep. No scam, no crypto, no selling your soul. Catchy, right? ChatGPT will give you good lines, but here's how I make them better. I twist them with humor, absurdity, or FOMO. Think of your hook like a Tinder bio. Only shot to get that swipe. 5. Batch scripting with ChatGPT. Save your brain cells. Instead of writing one script at a time, I knock out 10-15 scripts in one sitting using ChatGPT. I set a theme for the day like mind-blowing history facts or side hustles that aren't trash. Then, and this part's crucial, I humanize them. I add jokes. I add pauses. I imagine how it would sound if I was telling a friend over lunch. No one wants to hear a robot speak monotone facts. Infuse it with your flavor. By batching like this, I free up entire days to just focus on visuals or recording. 6. Turning scripts into stunning visuals with Canva. Now for Canva. Canva is the peanut butter to ChatGPT's jelly. Once my scripts are ready, I head into Canva and start designing my shorts. Their vertical templates are perfect for YouTube and TikTok style content. I use animated text, emojis, and transitions to bring my words to life. Canva even lets you upload audio, so I record my voiceover and match it to the visuals. Use Magic Animate for quick transitions, or the Beat Sync feature if you're working with music. You can also create templates, so you're not designing from scratch every time. I have a few go-to styles: bold headline at the top, supporting image in the middle, punchline at the bottom. Boom. Done in 5 minutes. 7. Record voiceovers like a pros with 0 geared. People stress over microphones, but honestly, your phone tops a quiet room tep good enough. I record straight into Canva or upload the audio later. Here's what matters more: delivery. Speak like you're excited. Add pauses. Emphasize keywords. Pretend you're hyping up your friend, not reading an essay in class. And if you're shy about your voice, AI voiceovers. Tools like 11 Labs and Murph can turn your text into solid narration. Just don't pick the weird robotic ones unless your niche is creepy sky. 5 facts. A8. Add captions that actually keep people watching. Ever watched a short without sound? Most people do. That's why captions are non-negotiable. I use Canva's text animation to add dynamic captions. Just subtitles. I make certain words pop, change color, or shake. If I say, "oh, to believe this," then one or and. Better be in fire emojis or something ridiculous. You want the text to feel like a dance partner to your voice, not a boring transcript. It keeps people hooked, especially those scrolling in bed next to their sleeping partner. You know who you are at. 9. Export in bulk. Canva's secret sauce. Once I have 10 shorts ready, I don't export one by one like a caveman. Canva lets you duplicate projects and swap in new content lightning fast. I spend 1-2 hours designing all 10, export them in one go, uploading, done while sipping coffee. Some people think mass production means lower quality. No, it means efficient creativity. You put in the thought, then streamline the process. Just like a McDonald's kitchen, fast and always hits the spot. 10. Upload schedule and SEO. Let ChatGPT help again. ChatGPT isn't done yet. I use it to generate SEO titles, tags, and descriptions. Ask it, give me 5 clickable titles with high retention for this topic. Or write a YouTube short description with SEO for AI tools to make money. Then schedule uploads using YouTube Studio. I batch schedule for the week, 1 per day. That way, I can go back to doing important things like pretending I'm editing while actually watching cat videos. 11. Bonus. Use trends to recycle content. Trends are your content steroids. If a certain audio is trending or a meme format is blowing up, ride that wave. I take an old short and remix it with trending audio or a new visual twist. Canva has a ton of assets, and ChatGPT can help you rewrite your script to match the trend. It's like recycling, but for virality. You're the machine now. Here's the truth. ChatGPT and Canva didn't make me lazy. They made me efficient. They helped me build a system that works, even when I don't feel like working. I went from stressing over 1 short a day to uploading 7 a week, sometimes even more. It's not about spamming content. It's about creating smart, engaging stuff in less time. You still need your ideas, your voice, and your hustle. But with the right tools, you become a content machine. No, you're not cheating. You're leveling up. If this helped you, drop a comment with your favorite takeaway and let me know if you want a behind the scenes look at how I write scripts with viral hooks. And hey, don't just watch this and move on. Try it today. Make 1 short using ChatGPT and Canva. Tag me when you post it, and I'll give it a like. And unless it's cringe, then I'll pretend I didn't see it. Subscribe if you want more fluff tips like this. And if you don't subscribe, I'll assume you enjoy wasting hours making content the hard way. Your choice.